Ever typed something like "help me with my business" into ChatGPT and gotten a generic, unhelpful answer? Frustrating, right? But here's the truth, it's not the AI's fault, it's the prompt. Garbage in, garbage out. The quality of your input determines the quality of the output. If you give the AI vague instructions, you'll get vague results. The AI is powerful, but it needs direction and specifics. You have to guide it with smart, detailed prompts to get smart, detailed answers. That's what this video is about, a system for getting incredible results from any AI model. I've developed a 6-part formula that transforms generic outputs into actionable, strategic results. Let's dive in. This is your ultimate guide to prompt engineering. First up, the task. This is where most people go wrong. They're not specific enough. Always start your prompt with a clear action verb: create, analyze, summarize, rewrite, compare, brainstorm, generate. For example, instead of social media posts for my coffee shop, say, generate 5 engaging Instagram post captions. See the difference? Now the AI knows exactly what you want. 5 captions for Instagram, and they need to be engaging. The verb you choose shapes the AI's approach. Analyze gives you pros and cons, brainstorm gives you ideas, create gives you a finished product. Think of it like telling a chef whether you want them to prep, write a recipe, or cook the dish. Before you type, ask, what's the single primary action I want? If you want blog ideas, say brainstorm 10 blog post titles. If you want an email, say compose a professional email. This initial command sets the direction for everything that follows. It's the difference between a generic list and something you can actually use. The more precise your instructions, the better the output. Start with the task. A strong, clear verb that leaves no room for doubt. Once you master this, you'll see an immediate improvement in your results. You'll spend less time editing and more time using the output. This is the first building block in our 6-part formula. If you remember nothing else, remember this: start with the task. It's the foundation for everything else. Don't let the AI guess. Tell it exactly what you want. That's how you move from passive user to power user. Speak the AI's language, clarity, and specificity. Let's move to the next step. Next is context, the why and the who. Even a specific task will be generic without context. Context is the background info that makes the AI's response tailored to you. Answer 3 questions. What's the goal? Who's the audience? What's the relevant background? For example, the goal is to drive traffic to our new blog post about sustainable coffee sourcing. The audience is young professionals, 25-40 in Brooklyn, who value quality and community. Our shop, The Daily Grind, specializes in ethically sourced beans and has a cozy, rustic vibe. Now your prompt isn't just generate 5 Instagram captions. It's a marketing brief for a specific shop, audience, and goal. The AI can now use details like Brooklyn, cozy, and ethically sourced to craft relevant captions. Without context, you get generic hashtags like #coffee. With context, you get #Brooklyn Coffee, #The Daily Grind NYC, #Cozy Vibes. The more relevant detail you provide, the more the AI can act as an extension of your thinking. Don't be afraid to be detailed. Think of it as briefing a new team member. The better your briefing, the better the work. Always provide context, goal, audience, and background. This transforms the AI from a generic tool into a strategic partner. It's the difference between a stock photo and a custom-commissioned piece of art. Context bridges the knowledge gap between you and the AI. The more you share, the better the results. Don't skip this step. Context is your secret weapon for high-quality output. Let's keep building. Next up, exemplars. Now let's talk exemplars, examples of what you want. By showing the AI a sample, you give it a clear target. For our coffee shop, you might add, here's a caption style I like. That first sip feeling on a Monday morning. #The Daily Grind #morning ritual. The AI now knows your preferred length, voice, and hashtag style. You can also provide negative examples. Avoid salesy language like buy now, limited time only. Combining positive and negative examples gives the AI both a target and boundaries. No good example handy? Ask the AI to generate a few styles first, then pick your favorite and use it as your exemplar. This turns the interaction into a conversation, helping you discover new styles. Exemplars reduce ambiguity. Words like professional or friendly mean different things to different people. A concrete example replaces that ambiguity with a clear model. It's a shortcut to getting the AI on the same page as you. Saves time on revisions and reprompting. Use exemplars to show, not just tell, what you want. It's like giving the AI a cheat sheet. The more specific your example, the better the output. Don't just describe, demonstrate. Exemplars are your fast track to great results. Use them for style, length, structure, or even what to avoid. This step is a game changer for creative tasks. Let's move on to the next lever, persona. Ready? Here we go. Persona is up next. Time to assign a persona, give the AI a role. This shapes the output's perspective, expertise, and vocabulary. Instead of a generic answer, you get a specialist response. For our coffee shop, act as a world-class social media marketing manager for local food and beverage brands. Now, the AI thinks like a marketer, suggesting best posting times, calls to action, and strategic language. The captions become more persuasive and targeted. You can use any persona, a skeptical analyst, an encouraging coach, a famous screenwriter. Each persona focuses the AI's knowledge into a specific point of view. For example, act as a high school physics teacher and explain quantum entanglement in simple terms. Or, act as a Michelin star chef and suggest ways to improve my tomato sauce. The persona sets the stage for expertise and style. It's like having a team of experts on call, just tell the AI which hat to wear. This step adds depth and credibility to the output. It moves the AI from information retrieval to creative partner. Before you hit enter, ask, who do I want answering this? Assign that persona. It's a simple tweak with a huge impact. The right persona can transform the quality of your results. Don't skip it. Persona is your shortcut to expert-level output. Next, let's talk about format. Almost there. Now control the format. Tell the AI how to structure the output. This saves you time on reformatting and editing. The default is usually a big block of text, not always useful. Specify what you need. Bulleted list, numbered list, table, JSON, script, or code. For our coffee shop, say, format as a numbered list. For each caption, include 3 to 5 hashtags. Instantly, the output is organized and easy to use. Need a comparison? Ask for a table. Compare software A, B, and C. Format as a table with columns for features, pricing, and support. Now you have a decision-making tool, not just a wall of text. This works for brainstorming, summaries, emails, and more. Developers, ask for JSON or code blocks to save time. Always think ahead. How will you use the info? Define the structure in your prompt. It's about making the output immediately usable. The right format streamlines your workflow. It's the difference between a pile of ingredients and a prepped meal. Don't underestimate this step. Specify the format you need. It's another way to take control and get exactly what you want. Format is your productivity booster. Make it work for you. One last piece, tone. Let's finish strong. Finally, set the tone, the emotional layer of your prompt. This defines the style, voice, and feel of the response. Is it formal or casual? Witty or serious? Friendly or professional? For our coffee shop, the tone should be friendly, warm, and slightly witty. Now, instead of bland captions, you get, your taste buds called. They're ready for their autumn debut. Try our toasted marshmallow latte. It's like a campfire in a cup. The right tone makes the output feel human and on brand. Not sure what tone to use? Ask the AI for suggestions, then pick the one that fits. The tone you choose ripples through the entire response. It's the final polish that makes the result compelling. Think about your context. Customer support needs empathy, legal needs formality, social media might need excitement. Don't leave tone to chance, make it a conscious choice. This is what separates good AI output from great AI output. Tone is the final layer of your perfect prompt. It's the difference between just right and forgettable. Always define the tone you want. That's the last step in the formula. Let's wrap up. Here's how to put it all together. That's the 6-part formula for powerful prompts. It's not about memorizing scripts. It's about a new way of thinking. Start with a clear task, add context, show an exemplar, assign a persona, define the format, and set the tone. Combine all 6, and you're not just using AI, you're directing it. I've made a free prompt builder template to help you get started. Download it from the link below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Drop your toughest prompt in the comments, and I'll help you rewrite it. Share your worst AI response below. Let's fix it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Turn AI into your business superpower.